guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Laura of Tender Warm Creations, and today we are going to find out who the winner of my giveaway is. But before we find that out, I just wanted to say thank you all for all the subscribers. I can't even say how much that means to me. It's crazy that we're a little bit over 200 right now, and I started with 50 subscribers, so thank you guys so much. I hope you'll stay with me for future tutorials. And yeah, thank you guys. So if you want to find out who the winner is, and I'm pretty sure you do, keep on watching. And I'm gonna insert a little video clip of a video of me picking the winner at random. So here it is. So yeah, Lauren Craig, you are the winner of my yarn giveaway and my hook. So all you have to do is send me an email through YouTube. You can find out my email on the about section of my page, and send me an email with your info where you want me to send your prize, and I will get that mailed out for you. I hope to make more videos in the future, more giveaways for you guys. In the meantime, you can follow me on Instagram. I'm really active there, and I'm really close to my 2K goal, and I will be doing a giveaway over there. So if you want to participate, go over to my Instagram page and follow me. I just want you to know that I read all of your guys' comments. You guys had amazing ideas on what to make with this yarn. So yeah, thank you guys so much for participating, liking my video, subscribing, and I really hope you stay with me for my next crochet adventure. So thank you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video.